Yo, what's going on, guys? Toke here, and I'm back again on the Madden 15 Ultimate Team, man. Giving you guys a quick little lineup update. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I've been making moves all night and day, trying to acquire these golden tickets for you guys so we can get some gameplay with them. As you can see on the offensive side of the team, it's basically still the same. We got 24-hour Marshawn Lynch, 24-hour Calvin Johnson. I actually had a lot of value in my binder that I was able to sell, and I was able to acquire another cornerback. You guys already know who I'm talking about here. We're going to go ahead and check him out. Brandon Browner, 99 overall, golden ticket, number 26 out of 100. He's got 97 speed and 99 zone and 99 play recognition. Absolutely amazing. I don't know how I feel about the card, but we're definitely going to give him a chance. As you see, 97 speed, 97 acceleration, 94 catching. He's got 73 tackling, 99 jumping as a 6'4" corner. Absolutely insane. He's the tallest corner in the game. 67 power move, 99 play recognition, 80 pursuit, and 45 block shedding. That's the only downside of the card, and I don't know how I feel about that with the 99 zone coverage. 63 spectacular catch. Just seems like there's so many corners, but he does have a 95 hit power and a 92 press, guys. I'm not too sure, man. There's so many corners in the game. I'm not too sure who I want. That Charles Woodson that I showed you guys yesterday is absolutely amazing. So we're going to go ahead and put Browner on the left side of the field. We got Charles Woodson, who I really think is the best corner in the game. And then we're going to go ahead and move Pat Pete to the slot, guys. I don't know, man. I think I'm going to just cut my losses, get rid of Richard Sherman, and we'll see how Brandon Browner plays. If he doesn't live up to the hype, we'll go ahead and cash out on him. But for right now, that's the team we have. We're still looking to get free safety Calvin. Hopefully I can get him here any minute now. And then I think the team will be complete for a little bit. Make sure you guys stop by the stream, subscribe if you're new, and drop a like. Peace.